Cashanista friends, it's Casharee and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Casharee, and here on my channel you will find all things related to hair, nails, fashion, lifestyle, and more. So be sure you click that subscribe button down below to join my Cashanista fam. So today's video is all about these Jumbo Box Braids, and as you can see, they are not fresh braids. I've had these in for about probably like about 3 weeks now, but unfortunately I didn't have time to film when I installed them because your girl has just been kind of busy lately and I am trying to balance a lot, so I didn't have time to film, but I definitely wanted to come back, redo a few braids, and make sure I got a video up for you all so you can see how I got this look. So, and I need to take some pictures from my boutique today, and I just wanted to tighten up these edges because they looking a little worn. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out this braid right here first, and I'll be back. All right, I got that one out, and as far as the hair that I used, I will link all of that down below because I don't have it on hand right now. But I am going to just take some, what is this? Lot of Body edge control, and of course gather up the edges. I'm gonna take the hair, and I'm using the same hair that I just took out because I don't have any more of this color that I need. So I'm just gonna take the hair, wrap it around so that I can use my real hair as the third leg for the braid. So once I do that, I just start to braid. Okay, in order to have enough, in all three pieces to braid all the way down, I kind of split up a long piece to add it to the short piece, of course, so that I have enough hair to continue braiding. Now, to make sure I have like a good consistency of the whole braid and not have it thick and then go super skinny, I took a smaller piece and I added it in as I braided. Now, I didn't have a real technique on how I added it. I kind of just placed it in there and then just where I could fit it, and then just continue to braid. And for this braid in particular, I did this twice. So I have another piece. I'm going to do the same thing. Just kind of add it in there and just keep braiding. Then once I got to the end, I just kind of take a piece and wrap it around my fingers, grab it, and pull it to kind of create this little knot, like so at the end. Such a major difference. Now it looks like I need to do this one. Dang, I didn't want to do that one. Okay, anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for these ones as well. Now, I did count up all the braids, and I have a total of 25 braids. And what I did was I sectioned off all of the braids first and then install the braids, just because I wanted to make sure that I ended up with jumbo braids, because this was my first time doing them. So it was kind of difficult for me to make the big parts to create the jumbo braid. But yeah, so yeah, it's 25 total. I'm now done redoing these 3 braids there. So now I'm just gonna kind of lay down the little edges, little baby hairs real quick. So I'm gonna take my carrot hair gel. This is just the gel I always use these days. And just lay down some baby hairs, get the baby hairs popping. And yeah, I have some refreshed jumbo braids. So now I'm ready to take my pictures. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.